up on center stage. Again, a big round of applause. Our Hall of Fame awardee, Heart Evangelista Escudero. Thank you, Missy.
Thank you very much. Look at that moment. Really, this look deserves all the moments it can get from tonight. Moving forward, we have our next Hall of Fame awardee.
Our next Hall of Fame awardee, one of our favorites. Of course, we have none other than Mr. Alvin Richards.
Congratulations! Ayan na! Okay, look at that. Very subtle but so elegant. I'm
All
loving
the time.
gold details, black and gold. And syempre with the dimples, diba?